friends, and today we will talk more about the Instagram app again, and we will show you how to delete one of the multiple pictures from your post. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. We just need to open our Insta, and as you can check, we are already on our account, on our profile page. So let's choose one of the multiple posts. I will tap on this one. And how to remove one of the pictures, not every, but only one. We just need to pick on the three dots icon shortcut at the top and use the edit mode here. Later, as you can check, here we have also each of the possible pictures we had added to our post, and to delete one of them we need to use the trash bar icon at the top of this picture. So let's click on this image and click on the trash bar. Later you need to confirm your actions after picking on the delete option. And as you can check, right now we have only 3 images, not 4. Let's do the same things with the first one. So I will tap on this shortcut and confirm my choice. And right now I have only 2 of my whole post, only 2 pictures. So in this way you can smoothly add the picture you won't have on your post. This is very easy and convenient to do. So to save changes, let's pick on the done button and check the result. So from now on I have only 2 pictures here. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was very easy and very useful. Don't forget to check our other guides on the channel to find out even more cool tricks about the Insta and other apps. And have a nice day. Bye bye.